Hey, we're cooking some cinnamon rolls on the wood stove. And on the back side, we got some turkey cooking. Yep, big old turkey cooking there in the big old pot. Turkey cooking. And cinnamon rolls cooking. Made myself a little Lazy Susan there out of an old electric toaster oven. I removed the wires and insulation and parts that way, took the screws off, cleaned the inside out, and had to do a little adjustments and modifications there. So we're going to test it out today and see how it works. So we're testing out our homemade wood stove Crazy Susan cooker oven, made from a converted electric rotisserie toaster oven. For Wayne Yardley, the Wayne YouTube channel, thanks for watching.